Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell. Hey everyone, so today you see the title, it is my vision board for 2022. This is the way I'm going to go in and come along with me as I tell you and show you what I am going to be doing for my vision board of 2000 and bringing the new year of 2022. Let's get into it. Okay, decided I'm going to go ahead and write some things down instead of me doing stickers and all that stuff and the whole vision board. I actually want to like manifest and actually put these words in to actually like say work, put these actually in kick them gear. So guys, so the first clip was basically me introducing video and all that type of stuff, and I know I had some eyelashes on. I took my eyelashes off, so now I'm just raw, no lashes, no nothing, no makeup or nothing. So that is raw. I'm coming in, it's okay because we're going new year with just natural glow, natural me, and that's just what we're gonna do it. So furthermore, I'm going to get into what I'm going to be telling you about my new year goals, and I decided this year to do words. So let's get into, and there's 1 through 5, and let's get into it. So my year goals words is do happy, and that means that do whatever that makes me happy. And I decided that I want to do whatever makes me happy, so that means that me decorate my house for every holiday, that's what I'm gonna do. If I want to like clean up my bedroom and remake it over, like, you know, or make my bathroom, kitchen, basically anything that I truly love doing that really does make me happy, then that's what I'm gonna do. If it means like me decorating and stuff, taking stuff down and this and that, then I'm gonna do it because what makes me happy. That is what I want to do. Okay, and then the second word is grow, and it is put myself first. And I am so just, I can't, I'm over it. That shit needs to come first before anybody and anything. So therefore, if anybody asks me to do anything, want me to do this and do that, or said I should do this and said I should do that, no, I'm putting myself first. I'm gonna do and think what I want to do. If I want to do it, then I do it, because I put myself first and I decide for myself that I want to do that, and not just from your opinion what you want me to do and said I should do. So no, yeah, and I'm gonna do that. So basically, you like it, you like it, you like it, you love it, love it. You don't, you don't. Oh well, I don't really care, because I'm gonna do me and I'm gonna put myself first. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Third word is prioritize, and I'm going to really try my best to really do this for real. The time spent on important things. I'll repeat it one more time for a lot of people. The time spent on important things. That means that you putting your time on cell phones and putting your time spent buying these clothes, shoes, or whatever it is that you really could have been spending your time doing productive things and getting stuff done that you know you desperately need to get done. And all them words, then freaking do it. I'm sorry to say that, but I'm not sorry to say it. Do it, because you really need to prioritize. You need to prioritize the time spent on important things. We really need to do that, and we're getting away from that. We're slowly getting away from that, and I have noticed that we really are. So this year that's coming up, that's what I'm going to do. Hope you are going to do it with me, or try your best to. So the fourth one that fourth word is I'm sorry, that's a lot, because I just had to, is consistent. Be consistent. But the word I just put is consistent, and I really want to do that. So I put continue to stay on track. That means me wanting to get content out there for you guys. I need to be consistent on doing that. The time frame that I want to do that, I need to do that as well. Be consistent on that. Also, just for myself, if I want to get chores done around the house, I want to get done, I need to continue to stay on track of that. So, and taking medicines and stuff like that, and health and well-being and mental thoughts and mental well-being, I need to really stay on track for that. I need to continue to stay on track of that. And as I said, consistent is a big part and key for me that I really want to try my best to get done. Not try to get best to get done. I need to put that in as actual a key part in my life. So all these 5 words is really, well, not really 5 words, but 5 like phrases, words that I really want to do, to really have a key, taking key for my life that I really want to do. So that is what I am going to strive for this year coming up. And then the 5th word is do not spend money. Sorry, that's a phrase. Sorry, it's the 5th word. It's budget. Sorry, guys. So, okay, now I can say what I was going to say. Is do not spend money on items that is not on the list or planned. Repeat that. Do not spend money on items that is not on the list or planned on getting. Remember that, guys. On getting. Okay. I know it's really hard. You try not to, but it happens. Try not to, okay? Just really try to do your best not to spend more money that you don't even necessarily have to spend. Try to do it. That's why it says budget. Okay? We're going to try to budget this year, guys. We really are. Because out here in these streets, it's getting ridiculous. The money that is spent is getting outrageous, okay? Seriously, it really is. We got to cut it. Okay? No. And then on top of that is then it says you are going to, if you're going to buy the items, then make sure that you are going to be using these items. So if you buy the items, make sure you're going to be using them. Don't buy them if you're not going to use them. And that's really what I'm going to say after that. Okay, honey? Because I'm trying my best to do that. So if you are too. Seriously. So yeah, guys. So that is it for this video. Me basically telling you what I'm going to be doing, how I'm in the new year of 2022, and it's sexy words and phrases I'm going to be doing, me manifesting them to bring in with me for the new year, and how I'm going to go about the new year in a better and positive and exciting and motivating way, and being productive about it as well. So I'm so excited, and I hope that these words and phrases, you use these within bringing your new year of using these words and phrases, and it helps you and motivate you as well. And another thing is, I want to say, go in within this new year with an open mind and an open heart, and do not care what people say or do towards you and about you and stuff like that. Because once you have that mindset and understanding that you don't care what they say and do towards you, then you will basically, it's a different mindset. And you understand when you go through it, it's like a whole completely different, like I say, world. It's a whole different mindset. It's something way different, and I feel a lot better, and I say I am a lot more happy, and I am more driven and more thorough and feeling more positive about myself. Not towards other, I do, but more so about myself, and that's how I want to bring the new year. And actually every year I want to bring in that same positive and same energy and same mindset of don't care what you have to say about me and what you have to say towards me. It don't affect me. I'm going to keep it pushing and keep it going. So anytime anybody says something about you or to you, towards you, whatever it is, you just don't care at all, because you're thinking about yourself and you're basically moving on, keeping it pushing, for yourself and no one else. And that is the mindset, that the mentality I want everybody to be trying to strive and think about coming in within this new year with that mentality. Okay, so hopefully you do that, and I know I will, because I don't care. Okay, and another thing is, I just want to say I truly love you guys. I thank you, and I also want thank you for supporting me, and also come on with me within this journey of my YouTube journey and myself in general, and me growing. And next year is coming, as I will say, it's gonna be bigger and better, because every year should be bigger and better, and also it should be a new year and also a new you. So truly keep that in mind for the new upcoming year. So I am gonna go ahead and get off and stop talking. And before I do go, I really do want to say, stay blessed, stay humble. I will be true to you, and be humble, be positive, because can't nobody be yourself but you. So stay true to yourself, because can't nobody be that but yourself. And try to stay positive. If you can't stay positive, just try. If people get on your nerves, just be like, hold up, I'm positive today. I'm keeping my positive, and you know, God, dear Lord, please help me keep my mind intact. But if you gotta tell them, you gotta tell them. If you don't have to waste your breath on nobody, don't do it. That's all I'm gonna say. And also be positive towards yourself and about everything else. Love you guys, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. And as I always say, this is Walitches. Now I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one of the new year of 2022. Catch you guys later.